Hi there. I'm Kelly with the FAAST program at the Center for Independent Living in Fort Myers. In this short video, we're going to take a look at the Quizlet app and how it can be used to help you study. Let's get started by walking through how to set up a new account. First, you're going to want to download the Quizlet app on your iPad or your Android tablet or your phone. You can also use your computer by typing Quizlet.com in your web browser. Now open the Quizlet app and select Sign Up for Free. It's easy to sign up if you have a Facebook account, a Google account, or Apple account. If not, you can create a new account by entering your date of birth, an existing email account, and by creating a password. Since you're entering a student account, you'll select No when they ask if you're a teacher, and then you just select Sign Up. But since I already have an account, I'm going to continue with Google and select my account that I want to use and hit Continue, saying that this app is safe. And in the bottom left-hand corner, I'm going to continue using free Quizlet. So Quizlet offers many interactive activities to help you learn new information. One of the things you can do is actually make your own study set, which is what Quizlet calls flashcards. And I'll show you how to do that. But a lot of people have already made flashcards. So first I want to do a search to see if anybody has entered or created any flashcards on what I want to learn about. And what I want to learn about is the Florida Drug and Alcohol course. So I'm going to do a search for that. Florida Drug and Alcohol course. And we see here that there have been some people who have created some things, and this one has 120 terms. So we can preview the set here and see what types of terms and definitions that they have. And I like this one, so I'm going to close the preview and I'm going to open up this set. And then I'm going to see what Quizlet can do with it. So first, you're able to just study the terms and the definitions by reading them or having them read to you.
What is the driver's license? What is the driver's license?
Once you go through and get familiar with the terms, you can then take a look at the flashcards. Now, flashcards are like regular handheld flashcards, except you just tap to see the question, tap again to see the answer. You can also have the flashcards read to you by hitting the speaker button in the top left corner.
With 102 inches /36/65.
What are the maximum dimensions for carrying loads? Width of 102 inches, height 13 feet 6 inches over 65 feet. If you're still learning the information, you swipe left. If you already know it, you can swipe right. Here's another one. If you ever lived in Florida for 90 days, you're not a full-time college student. Do you have to register your vehicle in the state of Florida? If you have a Florida driver's license, you must also register the vehicle in the state of Florida. So we are still learning. So you get the idea. Once you do the flashcards, you can then move over to the Q chat. And this is an AI way to either interact with the AI to have it teach you what you need to know, or it'll quiz you, or it'll have you apply your knowledge. So with the Teach Me, It'll give you a situation and then ask you a question about it. So the presumptive BAC limit is the blood alcohol concentration level at which a person is considered impaired regardless of how they appear. For example, in the US, the presumptive BAC limit for impairment for individuals over 21 is 0.08. What does BAC stand for in the term presumptive BAC limit? I'm not sure. If you don't know, it will tell you. The term BAC stands for blood alcohol concentration. It measures the amount of alcohol in a person's bloodstream. And then it'll ask you another question. Now, can you tell me what the presumptive BAC limit is for impairment for individuals over 21 years old? I think I remember this. I think it's 0.08. .08. .08. And then it'll give us feedback. We got that one right. And then it'll ask you if you would like to continue. If so, you just type or say yes and hit the blue arrow, and you can keep going. Now, let's go back to quick chat for just a second. The Quiz Me feature will ask you a question, and if you know the answer, you can put the answer in the search bar and hit your blue arrow. If not, you can select I don't know or give me a hint, and I'll show you what happens. It starts with the front turn signal. What should your turn signal look like? I don't know. And then it will give you the answer. Your turn signal should be white or amber and visible from 500 feet. And then it'll ask you again, and then you can answer. And when you get it correct, it'll go to the next. It'll ask you something different. Now let's see what it says about apply my knowledge. What are the maximum dimensions for carrying loads on vehicles? Now this is actually going to have you give the answer. So you're going to have to study quite a bit to make sure that you know the answers. Another thing you can do is hit the Learn button, and then it's going to give you some multiple choice answers. When must headlamps be on? And then you can read from the choices and then select what answer you think it is. But make sure you read carefully so you don't accidentally pick the wrong answer. How far should brake lamps be visible? And so that's the Learn feature. The Match feature, once you've had a chance to study the terms, you can play the matching game. And it'll see how quickly you can read and then match the question or the definition to the right term or answer. So let's see. How do you get your vehicle registered if you bought it from the previous owner? Or did you cut a loan from the bank? Well, we know it's not just going to be yes or no. So we say, this has the word bank in it, so let's try that one. And so you get the idea here too. You just go through and match. After you've gone through and practiced and studied, now you're ready for the test. And you can get instant feedback. And once you're ready, you can start the test and see how you do. Now, if you don't like any of the study sets that are on here, or you want to learn some other information and create your own flashcards or study sets, simply hit the plus button, select study sets, and then type in your term. And your definition. And when you get that in, you just select done. And then you can save your set. And that is how you use Quizlet to learn new information. I hope you've enjoyed this video and enjoyed practicing how to use Quizlet and do a great job on your Florida Drug and Alcohol test. Have a great day.